In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll down, and what most people miss is that you should click on all of those dots at the top right corners to see all available themes your Vivo has to offer. When you find perfect one for you, you need to tap on it. Make sure this switcher next to keyboarders is enabled or disabled according to your preferences. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But now my favorite part. If you wanna customize it, go back to the same settings, and this time tap on plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!